Hi, it's Brooke again. I'm going to go through some of the features that are available to you in MyStatLab. First, each section has a number of materials available. So right now I'm at the 2070 homepage. If you go down to Multimedia Library, the tab that says Multimedia Library, and go through, so it gives you an option here in terms of, so let's say we do Chapter 5 and we do Section 5.2, say, and we want to look at all the available materials. Find those. And down here you see a bunch of different things. There's podcasts, and there's a PowerPoint presentation. There's a multimedia textbook. I think one of the more interesting things is the videos. So if I click on the video here, it takes me to...
Hi, I'm Dr. Jackie White from St. Leo University. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about random variables. And so before we do, why don't we go ahead and define that, or take a look at the definition for a random variable. Here we have that a random...
So you can see it's just a kind of a lecture. So if there's any section that you're having a particular problem with, it might be a good idea to check out some of those videos. When you're actually doing the homework, let me see if I can take us to a homework here. This will be a little bit different than what you see because this is the instructor version of MyStatLab that I have right here. Let's just say for this one, I'm just kind of arbitrarily choosing homework. Let's see, let's go to another exercise. Okay, so this example here, what I want you to notice is along the side there, there's a help me solve this and a view an example. I don't know how well you can see that, but if I click on help me solve this, it kind of walks you through. So you do the thing and you continue, and it kind of helps you, it kind of walks you through it in a way. The view an example, it's kind of a similar kind of thing. It just kind of takes you through an example, except instead of asking for your feedback, it just, oops, sorry, maybe you couldn't see that. Instead of asking for your feedback, it just goes through and does it for you. Let's see. So make sure you can take advantage of those if you like to. As far as the TI calculator goes, take back to the course homepage here. So along those tabs along the side, there's also Tools for Success. And under Tools for Success, if you scroll down, there's the Graphing Calculator tutorial for statistics. And if you go into that, there's basically a number of different little tutorials for different things you might want to do. So it says describing, exploring, and comparing data, measures of center and variation from a list of data. So if I go into that, it shows a picture of the calculator on the left, and it actually walks you through the instructions on the right, and it even asks you, you can kind of have an interactive thing. So if I push stat, it'll show me what I see on the screen, and then if you hit enter, it's kind of telling me what to push here. And then kind of walks you through that step by step. So if you're having trouble doing something on the TI, this is a good place to start as well. Also, if you're having just any sort of issue with anything, course-wise, there's also Pearson Tutor Center tab. And the Pearson Tutor Center tab has information on the phone number, or all sorts of other ways that you could contact them and get free tutoring. Well, I guess it's not free tutoring, but it's available with your purchase. So if you have any questions about this, please let me know.